Hey, what's going on YouTube? Antonio here once again with another Police Interceptor video. So this is a 2006 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor package with about 97,000 miles, okay? But it runs like it has less than 100,000 miles. This car actually runs pretty good, okay? So if you're interested in knowing more information about the vehicle, please give us a call at 909-457-5500, or you can visit our website at www.carsmart-automotive.com. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you the outside first, and then we'll go ahead and go to the interior. Okay, so this car is very basic, very standard. 235s, 55s, 17s on the tires all the way around. Goodyear Eagle RSAs. Okay, the spotlights that the vehicle has are functional. Okay, all windows are functional. Okay, all lights are functional. Okay, there is no police siren on the vehicle or any police lights on the vehicle, as those were removed. Okay, so the exterior vehicle color, it is a charcoal gray. The light doesn't do us any good right now, nor the sun, so it's just hard to get a good glimpse of the actual color on it, but I'll do my best to show it to you. So the vehicle is on right now, is actually on idle. Okay, I'll take you to the color, and you can actually see it. The charcoal gray. The car is a bit dusty, but forgive us for that. It does have the push bumper brackets, so you can adapt your Go Rhino there or your Satina push bumper. So thread life on the tires, about 85% thread life remaining. This car does have the 17-inch tires, or 17-inch wheels. Brakes, reverse lights, everything is fully functional. It's a safety hazard, so we want to make sure that those are working properly, so everything is working. It's got some nice tint all the way around. Okay, I'll show you the top. There is one antenna. It's just for display only. It is not connected. Okay, perfect. So now let me show you the inside. Driver's door. $192,777 on the miles, and about $42,12 on the idle. Okay, dome light, I'm sorry, red and white. That's it. Spotlights do work. The car has been fully smogged. No check engine lights, nothing funny. No funny business. Okay. Prisoner seat in the rear. Seat belt's fully functional. Here's a video of the front. Okay, let me show you the trunk. Okay. There is your trunk. Passenger side rear door. Passenger side front door. Let me show you now the engine. Here's your engine, 4.6 V8, silicone hoses, blue hose. Better come at a little angle. Perfect. There you go, guys. So this is a 2006 Interceptor with about 193,000 miles. Okay, if you want more information about the vehicle, please give us a call, 909-457-5500, or there will be some information on the description. So if you found this video useful, if you like this video, consider hitting the like button and consider subscribing for more Interceptor videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day.